making some spaghetti sauce. These are tomatoes from my garden that I just cooked down and froze. And then we're going to add Parmesan cheese to it. We're going to add some seasoning mix, Italian style herbs. Here's another Italian herb. And then we need a little bit more minced garlic. So you could ask, why didn't I just add all the seasonings and basil and garlic and all that stuff at the same time? Well, I did for a couple of them, and they're in the freezer outside. But I was just trying to get them all done. So I had 4 pots going at the same time, and I just cooked them down just to get them in the freezer. And now we're going to cook this down and make some spaghetti sauce. I am making more spaghetti sauce from my frozen tomatoes. So all I did was cook down the tomatoes without adding anything to it and freezing them. And now I'm adding all the extra goodness. So there is fresh onions and fresh garlic and minced garlic. And then I did do a spaghetti packet. It had a little bit of sugar in it, but not bad, especially compared to what you get at the store. This one only had like 2 to 4 grams of sugar when other things have like 15. So low sugar is good. And all I'm doing is cooking this stuff down. So in hindsight, next year I will be growing a lot more paste tomatoes. This is a mixture of paste and heirloom and everything. And I actually don't even take the skins or the seeds out. I just use an immersion blender to kind of just blend it all together. And so I freeze it. I don't can it. I have canned some tomatoes that I've used just the whole tomatoes in. But this one I decided to leave the skins and the seeds on, and it's pretty good. So it is a little more runny than traditional thick sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this all the way down, and then I'm going to simmer it for a little bit. And then I love to add a big jar of Parmesan cheese. So you get that garlic Parmesan cheese spaghetti sauce taste. Show you in a minute. Okay, I combined the noodles with the sauce and then added a little bit of a mixed cheese shredded blend. And it's almost ready. So now we have a delicious bowl of spaghetti ready to consume. You can do it too.